Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi A6 wing mirror glass. This guide will help you perform this common repair yourself, saving you time and money. First, gather your necessary tools, including a plastic trim removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and your new replacement mirror glass. Always ensure your car is safely parked with the ignition off before starting any work. Let's get started with the removal process. Now let's remove the damaged mirror glass. Begin by carefully tilting the mirror glass as far as it can go, creating a small gap at either the top or bottom edge. Insert your plastic trim removal tool into this gap and gently pry the glass away from its backing plate. You will hear a few clips disengage. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical wires for heating or auto dimming, usually 2 to 4 wires. Set the old glass aside safely. With the old glass removed, it's time to install your new mirror. First, carefully reconnect all the electrical wires to the corresponding terminals on the back of the new mirror glass. Ensure these connections are secure. Next, align the new mirror glass with the mounting points on the backing plate inside the mirror housing. Apply firm, even pressure to the center of the glass until you hear it click securely into place. Do not press on the edges. Finally, let's perform some essential checks. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and test the electronic adjustment functions of the mirror. Move it up, down, left, and right to ensure full range of motion. If your mirror has heating or auto-dimming features, verify these are also working correctly. Give your new mirror a good clean with glass cleaner. You've successfully replaced your Audi A6 wing mirror glass, saving yourself a trip to the mechanic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.